In this video, we are going to expose precisely what you need to start a faceless YouTube automation channel right now, using AI. This is literally everything you need to create your faceless YouTube business and automate it, so that you can run it on autopilot and make money online out of it. And I'm saying business and not channel because this is not going to be a YouTube hobby that you are starting in your spare time, but a side hustle that will earn you a pretty decent income every month, extra to your regular job. Let's get right into it. The main source to make money out of this method is revenue made from advertisements. For that reason, you need to pay attention to the following metrics. These are the most important terms that you need to pay attention to. 1. RPM or revenue per mil. It's a metric that shows how much money you make per 1,000 views. 2. Watch time or audience retention. The most critical analytic on the YouTube platform, as it shows how much time the viewer spends on the video. 3. CTR or click-through rate. This shows how often the viewer sees the video after seeing the video's thumbnail. Keep this detail, we will need it for later. So every step we make, we need to have these parameters in mind. Until recently, running a YouTube channel on autopilot and making money online out of it was expensive. You had to hire a script writer, a video editor, a voiceover actor, and do video shooting in order to make quality content. Don't get me wrong, this method really works and provides quality content, but you need to invest money in the beginning to start something like this. The philosophy behind this method is based on creating content for free that is useful for people and can go easily viral. To achieve that, we outsource. We outsource first to specific AI tools, and then, once we start making money, we outsource to professionals and we make money online passively. And in the next segments of this video, I will show you exactly what tools to use and where to find all the resources to do that. The first step is to find your niche. There are some niches that are more profitable than others, like business and finance, philosophy, technology, mental health, personal improvement, healthy eating and diet, gaming, makeup tutorials, and relationship advice. These are niches where regular viewers are more likely to spend money on affiliate links and have great watch time. Now, once you find your niche, you need to make a list of 20 to 30 trending topics of that niche and create video titles around them. Some means that will help you with that would be the YouTube search bar, the YouTube Explore page, ChatGPT, and reviewing the top channels of your niche. It will be literally a 5 minutes process, and it will provide you with content ideas for over 2 months ahead. Now, in less than a minute, we are going to have ChatGPT create a script at any length for our video. Then, Grammarly and Jasper are two AI tools that will help you with the editing and revising of your script. Grammarly also provides you with a plagiarism checker tool that will make sure your content is original. And now, it is time for the voiceover of your video. But, hey, stop! I want 5 seconds of your time. If you feel like getting some value from what you heard already, the best way to say a small thank you is by leaving a like. That's the best way to support, since the main intention behind this channel is not to promote or sell you something, but just to educate and motivate you for free. Now, let's move forward. By the time you will have the script ready, you need someone to talk the talk for you, as you won't be hiring anyone at the beginning. ClickChamp is an easy-to-use option with a free version that can produce a wonderful text-to-speech project for you. If you have a small budget to invest, Revoicer is one of the most value-for-money options out there for a one-time payment of $67. Tone, sex, and style options to choose for your voice are standard features for both tools. What you are missing right now is the video itself, but don't worry, I got you covered. We have 2 really good options here. The first one is ClickChamp itself, as it offers video editing services also for free. The other tool is CapCut, a very reliable tool that will effectively cover your editing needs. One of the main struggles for a good video is to find relevant footage. In order to have photos, clips, and music to enhance your video. The best solution out there is Pixabay or Pexels. You will find relative footage for your video that you can easily transfer to the video editing software. And it is free, you won't have any issues with royalties. Last but not least, the attention grabber: thumbnails. Although there are some tools that will create a thumbnail for you, most of them cost some money. What we can suggest is the best friend of many thumbnail artists: Canva. Quick, free, and easy. You can use some already set templates and optimize them a bit differently for each video. Note that you will find links to all the tools that we talked about in the description of this video. Before ending the video, we wanted to sum up the 4 metrics YouTube is looking for in a video: audience retention, click-through rate, watch time, and session time. So, keep these 4 in mind when creating a video, as you need to be aligned with what YouTube wants in order to achieve your financial goal and make passive money online. That was all for today, guys. If there is anything you would like to discuss about your way to success in making money online, the comments section of this video is open to any one of you. Here is the news. I am starting a challenge of helping anyone in this channel build at least a $500 per month side hustle in 30 days. It is totally free, and all you have to do is get the weekly ideas and inspiration I will be sharing with my videos. So, feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.